Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou with massive progress across the stadium. And North Goal and South Goal are now moving in near-perfect sync on the compression ring. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. We're starting with the headline update at North Goal. A new radial beam has just been installed, with its pillar going in the day before, and the riostra connecting it now clearly visible from multiple angles around the site. This piece confirms the compression ring has officially crossed the halfway mark, and at this pace, the remaining half could be completed in roughly half the time it took to build the first. Even more impressive is the louver progress in this same stretch. An entire section between two pillars, lower row included, was fully covered in louvers in a single day, a record pace compared to previous installations. Crews have now started on the upper row in that same gap too, suggesting they're getting faster with every new section they tackle. Toward the corner closer to Tribuna, support brackets for the louvers are now installed across the access roof sections as well, even through tricky curved sections of the structure. This entire stretch is steadily creeping closer to Tribuna with each passing day. Now to South Goal, which is mirroring North Goal almost exactly. A new pillar and radial beam have been installed here too, with the riostra and a phalange box already connected. 3 additional box sections and another radial beam are now staged and ready nearby. Enough material to keep pushing the ring forward as far as the eye can see from this position. The compression ring here has also passed the halfway point, and crews are clearly working both goal sections in close coordination, since both sides are advancing at almost identical rates right now. Nearby, ground leveling work continues at the corner closest to the lateral, with the site now completely cleared of materials and equipment ahead of that phase beginning. Over at the lateral, the 3 diamond walls remain at different stages. The diamond closest to South Goal still only shows rebar on its pillars, with formwork panels still needed before the columns can rise further. A concrete pump positioned nearby suggests pouring could begin soon. The middle diamond has progressed noticeably, with shoring beams and props now appearing, starting to reveal the building's final shape. The diamond closest to North Goal remains the most advanced of the 3, with its angled roof sections now clearly visible. Gold-toned aluminum trim is being installed around this diamond's access points, the same finish planned for all the diamonds across the stadium, which will eventually house the future club store and cafe. Inside the mobility cores nearby, crews continue work on the decorative louver supports, with some sections receiving paint, while others wait for those supports to go in. One core near the lateral is already close to its final finish, missing only its corrugated metal cladding. Third tier and VIP ring. Quick update. The VIP ring continues largely unchanged from recent days, with windows and enclosures already in place, but still waiting on final interior finishes. The seating sections above the future store's diamond appear nearly ready for use, though no waterproofing treatment is visible yet on this level. So, to wrap up, North Goal and South Goal, both crossing the halfway mark on the compression ring in near-perfect symmetry, was today's biggest story, with North Goal's record-pace louver installation right behind it. The lateral's diamonds keep climbing too, each at its own stage, but all moving steadily forward. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça!